Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Python 3.7.2 on your Microsoft operating systems. So this is Microsoft Windows 10, you can see it here, and this is basically 64-bit operating system and 64-bit based processor. In case if you have 32-bit, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can get the 32-bit Python 3.7.2 and install it on your 32-bit operating system. Okay, so the same process, the same steps can be followed on Microsoft operating system from Vista to Windows 10. So if it's Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1 and 10, you don't worry. So let's go ahead and download it and install it. So I'm going to launch my favorite browser, which is Chrome. You can use your favorite browser, Firefox, Edge, Internet Explorer, whatever you want to. And once your browser is up, simply go ahead and type python.org and you will be landing on this Python website. Okay, you can simply go ahead and put your cursor over here and download the Python 3.7.2 launcher 64-bit Python 3.7.2, okay, which is by default with this download. You can read here, note that Python 3.5 plus cannot be used on XP or earlier operating systems. So this is why I told you from Vista to Windows 10, the latest Windows 10, you can download and install Python 3.7.2. So if you want to download this 64-bit, you can simply go ahead and click this Python 3.7.2, which I already have here under downloads folder. Okay, and once you have the launcher, you can double click on it. In case if you're looking for a portable 64-bit download or 32-bit, you simply click on here downloads button, scroll down, and you can see this just got released on the 24th, just before the Christmas, and today it's 26th, just after the Christmas. So this is 3.7.2, which is a second maintenance release of Python 3.7, basically with few what do you call it, maintenance and optimization, a few features and optimization, basically few new features and optimization for speedy execution of the code. So let's go ahead and click on here downloads. In case if you want to read a little bit more about this release, you can go ahead and read, and to download it you simply click on this download tab here. It's simply a link, and then you can read. These are the new features. Okay, I was talking about the features and then optimizations. You can go ahead and read these. More resources to know about this second release. If you get any bugs, you can register here, report here, and Windows user can read this one, Mac OS user can read this one. You can go ahead and read the full change log on this page. Okay, enough. Now let's go ahead and download it. So these are the files available for downloads for 3.7.2. okay, so this is for basically Mac OS 64-bit and this is 32-bit, and these are not portable files. Okay, these are launchers. Similarly for Windows 64-bit operating system, this is basically embeddable zip file. Okay, this is executable installer. web-based installer. Okay, this is basically a launcher. Again, these are 64-bit and these are 32-bit. So we are quickly going to install with the help of launcher. If you have to port this download to another operating system, another desktop, laptop, you go ahead and download the zip file for 64-bit here, 32-bit here. Okay, I'm going to download this installer, which is easy. Again, same thing here, AMD64. So this makes sure that this is basically 64-bit operating download for Python, and shouldn't take long time, just 30 seconds more, and we will be installing it. Okay, so let's go on the home page again, and it's taking a bit longer because I have many pages open, just one page, and the download is going on. So that's over now. Now you simply click on this if you're using Chrome browser. If you're using any other browser, you simply have to go to the download and double click on it, or right click and then open it. For all users recommended, you also want to make sure that you check this box, add Python 3.7 to path. Otherwise you would not be able to execute it from this command line, and you would not be able to execute any Python files in general. Okay, so if you want to customize the installation, don't forget to check this box. Okay, you can customize it, or you can simply go ahead and click the express installation process, okay, with all the features. And this includes basically idle, pip, and documentations. So these are basically required. Okay, so go ahead and click on it. Then you will get just a window which will ask for your permission. Just click on yes. You must be the admin of this operating system. Okay, and we are almost done here. Not the administrator, but any user with the rights to install and uninstall softwares. And almost done here. Let's go ahead and check using this command prompt, right? CMD pip bootstrap. Okay, so almost done here. Just go ahead and click. In case if you want to read about Python, you can go ahead and click this link. Documentations, you can get it here. Close, open your command prompt. You can go to Windows menu and type CMD. You will get this command prompt. Same thing. Okay, and let's go ahead and fonts a bit larger for you people, okay, so that you can watch everything. And let's go ahead and check Python version. Okay, 3.7.2, and you can print something if you want to. Hello world. What did it say? Unable to initialize device PNR. Okay, no problem, because why you need to simply go ahead and first type Python, and then you can say print. I thought I was already in this interactive shell, so print and then hello world, and here you get it. It's working fine. So this is Python 3.7.2. when you download Python, you get all of these things like Python manual 64-bit, and this is idle Python idle. Basically what it is, it's basically the same thing. You don't need this anymore. Once you have this idle or shell, you can type whatever, you can test any code over here. Now you have to run the shell. Basically, okay, to save and then run. You have to save it, okay, before you run it. So I'm going to say hello Python files, okay, so you don't have to worry. However, invalid syntax. I don't know why. I just restarted it. Print. So just 1, 2. It's working now. Alrighty, so that's it. This is how you download and install Python 3.7.2 on your Microsoft operating systems. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for my channel, CubeMint, and have a good day. Bye for now. Happy coding.